ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Sukni Devi Arya Girls Senior Secondary School, Ladwa, came into existence with a view to impart quality education to the children. Over the year, the school has grown so much that it now has its own multi-storied building having about 50 big, airy, well-furnished classrooms, playgrounds, laboratories, etc. The school is affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, having more than 1200 students on its rolls, 60 dedicated teachers, and 20 non-teaching staff members. It is the big institution in the area. Our chief aim is to pursue excellence in all works of child's life and to inculcate the most precious values of culture and customs. To achieve the goal of the all-round development, sufficient opportunities, healthy and congenial environment is provided to the children. The emphasis is not laid on the facts to be stored, but on child's experience, interest, ability and activities as he/she is going to be exposed to the wonderful world. Activities are an essential part of school life, whether they are related to morning assembly, recreation or curriculum. In our school, time to time, daily activities have been going on as in morning assembly, conversations, dramas, poems, storytelling, moral value activities are being done by the students to make the starting of the day meaningful. Occasionally, as on national days, festivals like Rakhi making, flag making, diya or candle decoration, poster making is being performed in our life. Recreation activities like clay modeling, salad decoration, mask making, dancing, singing, sports activities is being done to refresh the students and make the students to enjoy and fun. In addition to it, co-curricular activities like quiz, newspaper reading, presentation, model making have been organized to relate the students to an academic course of study. The students are trained to face competition in the outside world. Different clubs are there to develop team spirit in the students. Guest faculty is invited on regular basis to strengthen the foundation of the students. Computer has become an integral part of every profession, business, trade and industry. Therefore, from first standard onwards, computer education is included in the curriculum and is compulsory for all students up to class 10th. We have the latest air-conditioned computer laboratories for senior and junior wings separately. meet the ever-growing needs of the students. The school has well-equipped physics, chemistry, and biology laboratories to facilitate experimental work. The school owns 7 buses with fleet in all directions in the town and neighboring areas. All the students are insured under student safety insurance policy. Van facility is also available for the students of primary students staying in Ladwa also. इस विद्यालय में 4 स्ट्रीम्स हैं जैसे मेडिकल, नॉन मेडिकल, कॉमर्स एंड आर्ट्स। अपनी रुचि के अनुसार विद्यार्थी इन विभागों में प्रवेश लेते हैं। यह विद्यालय लड़कियों के लिए एक अनूठा विद्यालय है। यहाँ लड़कियाँ अपने को सुरक्षित महसूस करती हैं और हर कार्य में बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लेती हैं। होम साइंस विषय में वे अनेक आधुनिक व्यंजन बनाना सीखती हैं जैसे सूप, जूस, सलाद इत्यादि। इन बालिकाओं के लिए अनेक प्रतियोगिताएं वर्ष भर चलती रहती हैं और अपनी प्रतिभा का लोहा मनवाती हैं।
तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर। तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे।